So welcome dear friends once again to the Anjudhar Positive Talk Show, and here I am introducing with you Dr. Amogh Shahane. She is a famous pediatrician as well as very inspiring, powerful woman. Especially for me, when I saw you in Doctor in Fitness group, my friend added me there. तो मुझे जैसे मैंने आपको बताया जिम से बहुत इरिटेशन थी, लेकिन मैंने डॉक्टर अमोघ को वहाँ पे उस ग्रुप में ग्रो होते हुए देखा है विद दीज मसल्स. सो वेलकम मैम टू आवर शो.
Thank you so much, Dr. Anju, for having me today here, and I'm very delighted to talk about something which is so close to my heart, and that is fitness.
Yes, and I think women should support other women. That's why we both are here today, to inspire our other women friends also.
Yes, definitely.
So I want to ask you first, Dr. Amogh, आप ये पावर लिफ्टिंग के जर्नी में कैसे आए? How, what thing motivate, क्या किया ऐसा आपको?
See, I've been training now since more than 9 years. So gymming has been my passion for the last 9 years.
Okay.
Like how you said, there's always a trigger when we enter into a field. Initially everything is new, but then once you start understanding the science behind being fit, so powerlifting is something which a lot of women aren't very aware of, but that is something which really interested me, and I guess we will talk about more in the future of this session. Yeah.
So what difference do you note जब आपने यहाँ पे join किया था with your zero whatever टोन बॉडी थी या नहीं थी, और आपका जो जर्नी मैं देख रही हूँ जो मसल्स के साथ वो ग्रो करते हुए, तो आपको क्या चेंजेस ऐसे नज़र आते हैं, और क्या ये सबके लिए ज़रूरी लगता है आपको? फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वुमन वन शुड गो फॉर दिस स्ट्रेंथ ट्रेनिंग?
Yes, it is definitely very important for women to take up strength training actively. Like how ma'am has said, today what is very important is a woman has to be strong not just mentally but even physically. Especially looking at today's scenario, जितना strength आप gain करोगे आपका confidence बढ़ेगा. Because physical energy रहेगी, then you can tackle all the challenges in the world now.
Very much true, Dr. Amogh, because myself is observing so many changes within myself. I was so weak type of creature, you know, लेकिन अभी I have gained so much of strength, like how Manish trained us very well with the correct posture. उससे पहले भी मैंने काफ़ी बार किया है, like initially my trainer was Saurabh. He also used to tell me the correct posture and also, and then he left. I met another trainer, Manish. I think he's perfect for all of us. बहुत ही correctly उसने मुझे बहुत ही posture में, and जब तक posture correct नहीं होता ना, he will keep pushing. No madam, करो करो करो.
That guidance is definitely very important because it's all science. It's just not, lifting weights like what we call as ego lifting.
Yeah.
Because what happens in this journey is eventually people get so addicted into it. They start lifting too many weights, or they start adding too many weights, which can obviously cause sort of injuries. So we need to go step by step, and for that obviously you need a professional guidance.
Okay. So I have heard many stories of your this thing कि you were anemic, you were having
I had tuberculosis.
You were having tuberculosis.
Yes.
So when you entered into gym, तो ma'am with anemia, with tuberculosis, आपको कैसे मतलब फाइट करने की वो प्रेरणा मिली कि yes I can do that, नहीं तो पेशेंट्स तो इतना वीक महसूस करते हैं. So can you highlight on that?
Yes. See, once you are coming out of an illness, वो जो fitness का जो कीड़ा है, it comes from inside. These things जो है, we always try to motivate our patients and definitely our friends to be very fit. But ये जो चीज़ है वो अंदर से आनी चाहिए, ठीक है? And always life में there is one Buddha moment, something which pushes you to go beyond your comfort zone. And for that, and for me, that was when I was really ill for 3 years in between, like how ma'am said, I had tuberculosis. So after fighting an illness, when you realize कि now enough is enough, now I have to take my fitness in my hands, work on my goals and become every day a little bit maybe better and a little stronger than I was before.
Yeah, very inspiring. ये जो आपने लाइन बोली ना कि वेकअप होता है अंदर के बुद्धा जो है
वो एक कीड़ा रहता है, एक फिटनेस बग है जो उठने में बहुत टाइम लगता है।
मैंने कभी ऐसे सोचा नहीं था कि बीइंग माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट उसके बाद मैं लाइफस्टाइल इन्फ्लुएंसर, फंक्शनल न्यूट्रिशन, मैंने अपने आप की बॉडी को समझने के लिए, फिटनेस समझने के लिए इतने डाइट, न्यूट्रिशन और क्या क्या कोर्सेज किए, देन फिटनेस ट्रेनिंग एंड एवरीथिंग। फिर मुझे यही समझ में आया कि जब तक आप अपनी बॉडी को खुद समझोगे नहीं, नो वन कैन हेल्प यू, नो वन कैन हेल्प यू। एंड माई नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज डॉक्टर अमोघ, आई एम श्योर मुझे तो बहुत हेल्प किया है मेरी मेंटल हेल्थ एंड वेलनेस के लिए। Did this powerlifting has helped you for this mental health, wellness or
Yes, it's not just powerlifting, but once we start lifting weights, खुद से क्या होता है, confidence बढ़ जाता है, and once your confidence improves, your body language improves, your mental health improves, because क्या होता है कि fitness is such a thing कि रोज आप कुछ ना कुछ challenges face करते हो, maybe in the gym and outside the gym, मतलब घर से यहाँ आने तक, घर के challenges manage करके यहाँ पे आने तक, so every day you are, you know, coping up with lot of hurdles in your life.
Yes.
So that is how it makes you mentally strong, because it shows you that there are solutions for every problem. वो एक you know mental block रहती है, especially for women, कि we cannot introduce a training session in our regular schedule when you have, you know, as a profession and when you have home things to manage, domestic commitments रहती है, तो mental health क्यों improve होती है? Because with being physically strong, you always, you know, you gain confidence and you are able to overcome many things in your life.
yes, very much true. So how do you fit this fitness routine in your busy schedule? You are a very busy pediatrician, so how you ये फिट कैसे करते हो अपना फिटनेस शेड्यूल?
तो उसका जो सीक्रेट मैं बताना चाहती हूँ इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आपने ठान लिया कि नहीं मुझे वर्कआउट करना ही है, तो व्हाट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इज यू हैव टू फिक्स अ स्केड्यूल एवरी डे। आपको 1 घंटा यू हैव टू डेफिनेटली कीप फॉर योर मी टाइम, so that is the time when you have no other commitments. So but naturally आपको कुछ काम नहीं है वो टाइम पे, तो you're going to end up in the gym or you're going to end up training. So that is the first secret for a woman, because इतने सारे commitments है तो juggling बहुत रहती है.
True.
So once your timing is the same, तो आपका कैसे वो goal जो है वो miss नहीं होगा. That is one thing. And second thing, try to keep a short goal of, you know, if not every day, maybe like 2 days in a week. बाद में जैसे आपको जैसे टाइम मिलेगी, you can make it 3 days a week. So that is how you keep building on your short term goals.
yes yes, like मेरे पास कोई और टाइम नहीं होता है, बिकॉज मुझे ऐसे लगता है इवनिंग फैमिली टाइम है, सो आई वेक अप एट 4:30, 5 to 6:30 is my own time. उसमें मुझे किसी का इंटरफेरेंस नहीं चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट इज माई फिटनेस.
Definitely. And one thing I would like to add, like how ma'am said, वो जो एक टाइम या 1 घंटा हम लोग निकालते हैं, if you're not able to give 1 hour, maybe you do 10 minutes, you do 20 minutes, लेकिन आप skip मत करो. That is the, you know, that is a very important
because
point.
that will further push you up.
Yes,
to
yes, that flow is very
again
important.
more
Yeah.
and more. So my next question is, Dr. Amogh, I just want to ask, बहुत सारी women उनको ऐसे लगता है कि अगर वो जिम जाएंगी, मसल ग्रो करने से और उनका वेट मोटी हो जाएंगी, यू नो, दो इट इज़ हेल्दी वेट, बट you can throw light on this because you have also now great muscles.
Yes, it's a very common myth actually कि women feel कि if they go into muscle training or strength training, they're going to become bulky, they're going to look like a man, you know, masculine जैसे body हो जाएगी वगैरह. But I would just like to clarify कि since we are from the doctor profession, we know the entire human anatomy, we know how the physiology works, we know what the hormones are there in the body. So सबसे important point ये है कि women's hormones are much different from the hormones in men, especially something called testosterone, which is seen in both women and males. But women में इतना उसका hormone levels नहीं है. So what happens is when you do regular strength training, your hormones are not that much for you to look bulky. Muscle building जो है, it's a different field actually. Yes. It requires a lot of, you know, एक तालमेल रहती है between the nutrition, your training program and lot of things. Yes. So just because आप gymming चालू करेंगे doesn't mean कि overnight or maybe in a 2 or 3 months you're going to look like a male. That is a very common myth which needs to be broken. Definitely आपको जो मिलेगा वो है muscle strength. Because strength training का जो main फंडा है is the muscles जो loss normally होती है, especially after the age of 50 years, which we call as sarcopenia, मतलब every decade we lose around 2 to 3% of our muscles. तो ये जो चीज़ है वो नहीं होना है, इसके लिए हमें strength train करना है.
Very great information. So now very important question. Powerlifting is okay, weightlifting is okay, everyday exercise routine is okay, but nutrition is a very important role in all this fitness routine of ours. So have you adapted some specific nutrition schedule also, nutritional diet?
Yes, actually what is important is exercise is just 20 to 30% of staying fit. Nutrition is a bigger part of it, around 80%. And like how ma'am has said, nutrition is the most important thing to keep you going. So nutrition, as a as a power lifter or as a person who is into weight training, I definitely concentrate on my nutrition. What is important to have a good protein diet, which you get through many sources in the food itself. You have both natural sources as well as you have non-vegetarian sources. Then hydration is very important. Lot of water in a day, lot of fiber in your diet. And I'm sure since ma'am is a fitness nutritionist herself, she can throw more light on what exactly to incorporate in diet to get the best out of your training schedule.
Yes, actually I was very weak in this nutrition part. I was also anemic too. So, but what happened कि how I can improve my nutrition, how can I improve my nutrition, I consulted to many dietitians, but somewhere it was lacking, you know. मुझे फिर ऐसे लगा कि my husband told, Rohan, he has lost 25 kgs of weight on his own. My husband told me, जब तक आप खुद अपनी body को नहीं समझोगे, no one can help you. And this line worked on me. मैंने डाइट के बारे में अपने बारे में समझना शुरू किया. माइक्रोबायोलॉजिस्ट थी, लैब रिपोर्ट से डील करती हूँ एवरीडे. फिर ये फंक्शनल न्यूट्रिशन का जब ये आया, मैंने देखा कि व्हाट इज दिस फंक्शनल न्यूट्रिशन. रियली मैं उसकी फ़ैन हो गई बिकॉज वी हैव अ डिफरेंट ऑप्टिमल रेंजेस. लाइक एबनॉर्मल रिपोर्ट आने से पहले ही वो रेंजेस को आप पकड़ लो एंड प्रिवेंट करो.
करेक्ट.
एंड देन मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट, माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट, जब मैंने ये पढ़ना शुरू किया तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ये वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक. एंड नाउ जस्ट आई विल गाइड यू हियर कि आपकी डाइट में वेदर यू आर एक्सरसाइजिंग और नॉट. ये भी एक बहुत बड़ा मिथ है कि एक्सरसाइज करते हो तभी प्रोटीन लेना है. इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट. प्रोटीन शुड बी इन योर डाइट. मॉर्निंग, लंच, डिनर, तीनों मील्स में यू हैव टू इनकॉर्पोरेट प्रोटीन. एंड 40 to 50 kg मिनिमम प्रोटीन होना ही चाहिए आपके डे मील में.
kg body weight.
Yes. So I want to ask, who is your role model for your fitness journey? Like,
actually, this is a bit like a personal question, but I have many role models in my long, journey of being fit. And मतलब सबसे बड़ा जो role model has been my father. Because my father was an athlete, he was a cricket player, and he was a bodybuilder himself. So we share a lot of maybe the genes and the passion for being fit along with my brother. So basically it's a family who loves to talk about gymming and staying fit. So dad has always been a role model. And my mom is also my role model because I have seen as a woman she's been very hard working. और जैसे फिटनेस ने हमको सिखाया है कि कभी जिंदगी में हार नहीं माननी है, आगे बढ़ते जाना है. तो मॉम का भी एक डेफिनेटली एक एक पुश रहा हमेशा. एंड frankly speaking, I get to learn from everybody every day, including Anju ma'am, because I think she is so inspiring. The passion, the fire which she has in all the projects she is doing. So, matlab, as a woman, I guess another woman, inspires us more, and people from everyday life. Because I'm not talking about celebrities or sports persons. I'm talking about day-to-day normal people who inspire us in their small little ways, but every day, and इससे बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. मतलब मेरा जो daily motivation जो है ना, वो एक दूसरे से आता है actually.
Very important, very beautiful lines. हम अपने आप में celebrity होने चाहिए.
Celebrity की जरूरत नहीं है. We are happy the way we are.
Actually, and exercise का बहुत ही important role रहता है, diet का बहुत ही important role रहता है. And important, one woman inspires another woman, and we should support each other. So last question, ma'am, what advice you want to give to our friends, our beautiful women?
Yes, first of all, like you all now understood what are the importance of active strength training in a woman's life, especially relating to muscle loss. And second is, this fitness, it spills over into all domains of your life as a woman, because all women, irrespective whether they are working out or inside the house, we have a lot of multitasking to do. For that, you have to keep yourself stable and calm mentally. तो बोलते हैं ना, you cannot pour from an empty cup. So what is important is staying fit, so that your professional life improves, your domestic life improves, the way we treat our own children improves. So that is what fitness is all about.
So thank you so much both of you, and dear audience, I hope आप लोगों को काफ़ी इन्फॉर्मेशन मिल गई है फिटनेस के बारे में, और आप अब ज़रूर अपना फिटनेस का जर्नी स्टार्ट करेंगे. Till then, stay fit, stay blessed.